starts. Today, we will complete UP current affairs. UP government launched the Visit My State campaign. Under the initiative, state-run museums across UP will provide free entry to children and families for 2 months. North Tech Symposium in Prayagraj. Raksha Mantri Sri Rajnath Singh has inaugurated a North Tech Symposium on the theme Raksha Triveni Sangam, where technology, industry, and soldiering converge. In Prayagraj, India's first Basmati organic demo farm, Epida has signed a 70-year lease agreement to establish India's first integrated Basmati and organic training cum demonstration farm in Pilibhit, UP. Parveen Sheikh wins 2026 Whitley Award. ये important है. Whitley Award is often called as Green Oscar and it is awarded to her for her community-led conservation of the endangered Indian skimmer. Ganga Expressway. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Ganga Expressway in Hardoi on April 29. Ganga Expressway is 594 km long, access controlled greenfield corridor with 6 lanes, and it runs through 12 districts. And districts are Meerut, Bulandshahr, Hapur, Amroha, Sambhal, Badaयूं, Shahjahanpur, Hardoi, Unnao, Raebareli, Pratapgarh, and Prayagraj. Fruit Horizon 2026 was held in Lucknow. Minimum wage revision in UP, and it is revised under category 1 to 13,690 for unskilled labor, 15,059 for semi-skilled labor, and 16,868 for skilled labor. UP Navyug Palika Yojana. Urban bodies in 58 district headquarters will be equipped with modern facilities. Third edition of the Sansad Khel Mahakumbh 2026, and it was attended by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh in its third edition. Vikramaditya Vedic Cloak. The 700 kilogram Vikramaditya Vedic Cloak at Kashi Vishwanath Temple. It has been installed at Kashi Vishwanath Temple in April 2026 to revive ancient Indian timekeeping traditions. Divya Singh cycles to Everest Base Camp. Divya Singh, a 20-year-old school lecturer from Gorakhpur, UP, became the first Indian woman and second woman globally to cycle to Everest Base Camp. Kalinjar Fort declared National Geoheritage Site. It is declared by Geological Survey of India. Varanasi sets Guinness World Record by planting exactly 12,51,446 saplings in 1 hour. The plantation drive was part of larger initiative to build a sustainable urban forest called Navmo 1. Nivesh Mitra 3.0. It is a digital platform which has been specifically designed to simplify and enhance the investor experience. Railways Commission's Kavach system installed on Prayagraj, excluding Kanpur, excluding section 192 route kilometers of the Delhi-Howrah high-density corridor. World Bank partners with India to improve air quality in UP. Project Ganga. In Project Ganga, Ganga stands for Government Assisted Network for Growth and Advancement to strengthen digital connectivity across the state. Under this initiative, broadband connectivity will be extended to nearly 20 lakh households over the next 2 to 3 years, significantly enhancing access to digital services in both urban and rural areas. UP's first media tower will be installed in Bareilly to strengthen public communication infrastructure and promote urban beautification. 2 new universities will be established in as Kashi Naresh University in Bhadohi and second Swami Sukhdevanand University in Shahjahanpur. First ever excise export policy 26 to 29, UP government approved a dedicated excise export policy, becoming the first state in India to frame a separate export-oriented policy for its excise ecosystem. India's first National Cow Culture Museum will be opened on the campus of Pradhan Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Veterinary Science University, Mathura. India France National Center of Excellence in Aerodynamics. I'm so sorry, Aeronautics, established at the National Skill Training Institute in Kanpur, UP. North India's first semiconductor unit will be established in Gautam Budh Nagar, UP. Namo Bharat Rapid Train and Merit Metro. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated these two trains. Purvanchal's first yarn processing plant will be established in Mirzapur district. Bareilly Airport tops UP in AAI survey in customer satisfaction category. Okay. The top national rank was jointly secured by Raja Bhoj Airport, Bhopal, and Khajuraho Airport. UP tops domestic tourism in 2025, first in domestic tourist visits and fourth in foreign tourist visits. India's first government hospital-based AI clinic will be is has been inaugurated at the Government Institute of Medical Sciences, Greater Noida, UP. India's first AI-enabled state university pilot launched at the Chaudhry Charan Singh University in Meerut. 86th All India Presiding Officers Conference hosted by UP Legislature at Vidhan Sabha in Lucknow from January 15, 19. 72nd National Volleyball Tournament was virtually inaugurated by Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi. Held at Dr. Sampurnanand Sports Stadium in Varanasi. First state level Braille. I don't know what I'm doing. First state level Braille library was inaugurated at Dr. Shakuntala Mishra National Rehabilitation University in Lucknow. UP tops deregulation 1.0 rankings, emerging as the top state nationwide for business reforms. Regional AI Impact Conference 2026 was held in Lucknow. It was hosted by Government of UP and India AI and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Second range-wise dolphin estimation under Project Dolphin on January 17 from Bijnor, UP. First zero fresh waste dump city, Lucknow has been recognized as under Swachh Bharat Mission Urban. Jan Bhavan, UP Governor's official residence in Lucknow, has been renamed from Raj Bhavan to Jan Bhavan. India's first glass museum is being developed in Firozabad, UP, traditionally known as Glass City of India. One district, one cuisine launched in UP by Home Minister Amit Shah. UP Gaurav Samman 25-26 the award was given to 5 prominent personalities who have made outstanding contributions in various fields. Each winner was awarded 11 lakh cash, a citation, and a shawl. Subhanshu Shukla, Space Science, Indian Air Force astronaut and wing commander. Alakh Pandey for education. Dr. Hariom Pamar for literature. Rashmi Arya, women empowerment. Dr. Sudhanshu Singh for agriculture. He is an agriculture expert. Inauguration of Rashtra Prerna Sthal in Lucknow. India's first indigenous hydrogen powered water taxi was flagged off by Sarbanand Sonowal of the commercial operation of country's first fully indigenous hydrogen fuel cell passenger vessel at Namo Ghat in Varanasi. India's first forest university will be opened in Gorakhpur. First municipal space lab established in Padarona, Kushinagar district. Digital libraries launched in Agra to improve rural education and improve students with digital learning resources. Parvati Arga Bird Sanctuary declared as eco-sensitive zone, and it is located in Gonda district of UP. Lucknow has been recognized as UNESCO's City of Gastronomy, and it is second city in India after Hyderabad. India's first megawatt hour scale vanadium redox flow battery inaugurated in Greater Noida. India's first solar on track system. NCRTC launched India's first solar on track system at Namo Bharat Depot in Dohai, Ghaziabad. UP's first state institute of hotel management will be opened in Gorakhpur. News and shorts. Pratibimb platform. Prayagraj police using AI data driven Pratibimb platform for cybercrime detection. Lucknow. It is India's first AI city. HRMS for Udyami Mitras. UP is first state in India to use AI for road safety. UP's second fastest growing economy. Report by Mosby. And its GSDP growth is 5.5 to 8, increased from 5.5 to 8.9%. Tamil Nadu is at first position. UP leads industrial growth and एनुअल सर्वे ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज 23-24 ये बहुत सारा डेटा है मुझे नहीं लगता कि आना चाहिए स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट डेटा सेंटर सेंट्रल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लिमिटेड टू एस्टेब्लिश डेटा सेंटर एट साहिलाबाद कैंपस इन गाजियाबाद नॉर्थ इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट फिल्म सिटी will be opened in Greater Noida and its layout has been submitted to YIDA. ये यमुना इकोनॉमिक इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी में भी गोरखपुर लिंक एक्सप्रेसवे इट विल कनेक्ट आजमगढ़ गोरखपुर संत कबीर नगर एंड अंबेडकर नगर इंडियाज फर्स्ट एबीसी ट्रेनिंग सेंटर विल बी लोकेटेड इन लखनऊ यूपीज फर्स्ट हाइड्रोजन प्लांट inaugurated at Khanimpur, Gorakhpur by CM Yogi by Torrent Gas and Torrent Power Company. India's first drone forensic lab inaugurated by CM Yogi, established at UPSIFS Lucknow, established by Milind Raj Drone Man of India. ये है पूछा जा सकता है. India's first tempered glass facility inaugurated at Noida by Ashwini Vaishnav. UP's first Ayush University, Mahayogi Guru Gorakhnath Ayush University, established in Gorakhpur, was inaugurated by President Draupadi Murmu. AI Augmented Chandigarh University, it is India's first private AI augmented multidisciplinary campus inaugurated on July 26-25, Unnao by CM Yogi Adityanath. UP's first TAVI for catheter aortic valve implantation. LPS Cardiology Institute Kanpur, first government medical college in UP offering TAVI. It avoids open heart surgery. Lucknow has become zero net waste city. Gram Urja model, it promotes organic fertilizer and it reduces LPG consumption by 70%. Mobile veterinary units approved in Lucknow and Gorakhpur divisions for SARS and injured wildlife. World Boxing Cup will be held in Greater Noida. Karikot Bahraich won ICRT India Responsible Tourism Award 25. India world's first ceramic waste park, Anokhi Duniya Khurja, opens by end September 25. नव्य शौर्य म्यूजियम नौसेना शौर्य संग्रहालय सीजी सिटी नियर एकाना स्टेडियम लखनऊ ऑपरेशन शिकंजा it arrested 23 absconding economic offenders. Operation Mahakal, Kanpur police crackdown on land mafia and extortion including influential collaborators. Operation Savera, Saharanpur anti-drug campaign. UP GCC Global Capability Centers Conclave 25 held in Lucknow. Maharaja Soheldev Memorial inaugurated in June at Chittora Lake, Bahraich. Maharaja Bijli Pasi Memorial announced in June, established in Lucknow. Varanasi Solar Park, Varanasi Solar Railway Panels, India's first removable solar panel systems between railway tracks by BLW. UP budget will be covered in next video. Thank you.